Hey Praisers and Savers, got a little curl going up here. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a question that I get asked all the time. And the question is, where do I get my coupons? I'm asked this question literally every single day. So there are really 3 places to get coupons, but kind of 4. So a simple way that people get coupons is from the newspaper, right? So you go get the newspaper on Sunday and you go inside and there's usually coupon booklets inside of the newspaper. So this is, the majority of how we get the coupons. And I used to do that. I used to go to the Sunday paper and go to the grocery store, go to the mailbox, the post box, and get the coupons out of the papers. But a problem I would have would be like I would go to that newspaper and someone had already taken the coupons, like they stole them, right? You need to buy the newspaper. So I would go and try to get them and they would all be missing. Or something else that I've had a problem with in recent years is the prices of newspapers have gone up like crazy amounts. So when I first started couponing 11 years ago, it was like $2.50 per newspaper. So I would buy, 4 newspapers. That's my thing. I always get 4. It's just, I gotta have 4. And so it was $10 in newspapers. Well, now when I go get a newspaper from the grocery store or whatever, it's $4 per newspaper. So it's like $16 if I buy 4 newspapers. And like I said, sometimes we'll already take the coupons out of the newspaper, which is horrible. Don't do that. Still. So, I started looking online at coupon clipping services. And so there were some services that you can download, some different apps that you can download that will go ahead and clip your coupon for you. But that wasn't my thing. I like to have the insert. I like to go through the insert, match my insert coupons to my sales. So that was better for me. And so I found one company that I liked a lot, and I can put it in the description box. And what they did was you paid them a weekly fee. So let's say, you ask for 4 sets of coupons or 6 sets or 10 sets, how many sets you ask for, but you pay the weekly fee for their service. So you're not paying for their coupons because it is illegal to buy coupons. You cannot buy coupons, but you can pay someone for their service of collecting the coupons for you and then mailing them to you. And so this company was really cool because I think I paid like $10 or $11 a week. Every single week, I would get 4 sets of coupons and they would mail it to my house. Really cool. Love the service. But the problem I would have is even on weekends where there wasn't coupons, I still would get charged. So, holiday weekends, Christmas and 4th of July, Thanksgiving, there's not coupons those weekends on holiday weekends. Or the 5th weekend of the month, usually there's no coupons. Usually, not all the time. You need to follow your couponing schedule to find out. But, so they still would charge me the $10 no matter what. So I was like, okay, this is still good. I like it. Well, then I started hearing about coupon fairies. And coupon fairies are these people. They're magical people, right? Fairies? No, they're not. They're just people that get a lot of newspaper coupons, inserts. And what, I don't know what happens, but I think what happens is there's a lot of leftover inserts that get sent to newspapers and they throw them away or give them away. And so these fairies, I guess, have some kind of contact and they will mail the coupons to you. So I currently have a coupon fairy. She is awesome. Her name is Robin. I'm not sure how she gets the coupons, but every week, like clockwork, she sends me a Facebook message on Tuesday and says she has the coupons. She sends me a picture of the coupons, what the inserts look like. And then I send her my $11 or whatever it may be for the week. So I think that's like the best way to go. Now there's some coupon fairies that may live close to you that you could go to their house and pick it up, or they might have like a drop-off point. If you find somebody in your area, that would be great too, because it saves a lot of time, between mailing off. Because sometimes when my friend Robin mails it to me, it takes a couple days because of shipping or whatever. So I usually spend for the week, I usually spend about $10 to $14 on coupons. So the way Robin does it, if a Retail Me Not, this is the Retail Me Not insert, the Procter & Gamble, the Smart Source, whatever comes out that week, I ask her I want 4 of each. So she sends me 4. And if you see my video with how I organize my coupons, check it out because that helps a lot of people save time. So coupon fairies are definitely the way to go. I don't like the clipping service where they go ahead and clip your coupons for you. I like to have my inserts because you never know. I never know what I'm going to walk into the store and see that I need. And if I just do coupon clipping services, then I only get those particular coupons. I'm not getting all the coupons. I like to have all of them cut and put in my binder for the week when I'm walking around the store. So that's the gist of that. Of course, if you ever need help with anything, please message me. But I will put the information for that company, not my coupon person, but that company that I used in the description box. So check them out. The other way you can get coupons, I'm looking at my little list here, is printables. Printables is whenever you can go online and print off coupons. So a favorite website, of course, is coupons.com. Very simple, coupons.com. I usually don't have a expensive printer. I buy a cheap printer. I usually get a new one every so often. Black Friday deals, and I'll get one for like $20, $25. Cheap printer is the way to go. You don't want like a photo smart printer because they use a lot of ink. So when you go on coupons.com and you've got the cheaper printer, the cheaper ink, it's a lot better than buying the photo smart printer. So anyways, on coupons.com, they do have limits. Most of the time, the limit is you can only print two of the same coupons. And usually it'll say coupon limit has been reached. Sometimes they only let you print one. But I don't usually print coupons. I don't even have one printed coupon in my binder. That coupon must be very important to me if I print it off because I usually don't print coupons at all. I like my newspaper coupons. So if there's one I really have to have, yes, I'll print it off. But I usually don't do that. And if I print, I like to print in color because I just feel like they scan better when they're in color. The barcode scans better when things are in color because I've had so many issues where I go to the register and they don't take my coupon for whatever reason. And make sure you check your coupon policy at your particular store because some stores only take like one coupon that's printable per item. So like if I go to Kroger, I think they take one or maybe two printable coupons. So if I have 5 Febrezes, they only take maybe 2 printable coupons for all 5 of those. So check your store. I'm not sure. I don't really know the policies on printables because I don't use them that much. The last one is going to be your easiest one, especially if you are a new couponer or a couponer that has forgotten to get the newspaper coupons, whatever it may be. But that is going to be your digital coupons. Digital coupons are awesome. For example, the best stores that I know of that have digital coupons are going to be your CVS and your Dollar General. I have a friend, actually, she doesn't clip coupons at all. She follows what I do. And if she sees that something is digital, she goes in the store and gets it. So one great thing about CVS is not only do they have CVS store coupons, but they also have manufacturer coupons on their app. So what I generally do on Sunday when I go to CVS is I load all of my coupons because sometimes things come off and I don't even know they're going to come off. And if it's, toothpaste and Tide and Gain or whatever, it's usually on the app. So you usually can find those coupons on the app as well. And that's going to be the same thing for Dollar General. They have some store coupons, not many, and then most of them are manufacturer. I know right now that I have 175 Dollar General coupons that are manufacturer. So even if you're not a couponer and you don't plan on couponing, always load your coupons before you go in the store. And when you put in your phone number at Dollar General or your phone number at CVS or scan your card at CVS, those coupons are going to come off automatically. I know in my family, I have the accounts for people in my family, like my brother, and I load his coupons for him every week. He doesn't even know it. He goes in, he puts his phone number in, he saved $10 and didn't even realize he saved $10 just by using the digital coupons on the app. So if your store has digital coupons, like Kroger, check out that app. Go and load those coupons. Those are going to be your easiest, and they're free. You don't have to pay for a service. You don't have to pay for ink to print them off. They're absolutely free. So please check the digital ones out. They are awesome. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. But in the description box, I am going to put coupons.com in there. I'm going to put my IBOTTA code. If you do want to try IBOTTA, I will have a video about IBOTTA soon. And I also put in that weekly coupon service that you can buy your coupons if you don't want to do the newspaper. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and also if you watch the video to the very end, type coupon. Type coupon. All right, guys. Happy savings. Boop. Bye, guys.